Chapter 8, Severance. The battlefield became unrecognizable. Mountains caved. Rivers of molten rock consumed valleys. Alien predators continued their suicidal assaults, adding their chaos to the inferno. Amid this, Wendy struck not with brute force, but with resonance. She wove her psychic field into the battlefield, aligning each alloyed strike with environmental collapse, each surge of energy with the planet's own convulsions. At last, she found the weakness. With a final, searing blow, she severed the neural bridge that held David Calvin together. The abomination convulsed, shrieking in psychic anguish, then imploded biosynthetic flesh collapsing inward, David's fragments scattering into oblivion. The eggs remained untouched. The threat was ended. For now. Chapter 9, Judgment. The planet still seethed with peril. The eggs pulsed in their nests. The ecosystem, mutated and scarred, writhed with hostile intent. Across the cosmos, voices rose in debate. Destroy Yatia Prime entirely. Purge David's scattered fragments. Preserve what remained as a warning or as potential. The final choice fell to Wendy. She had fought, endured, and risen as the apex. She bore the weight of victory, but also of consequence. And in her clarity she chose. Erase the threat. Burn the seeds. Purge the last remnants of David. The planet screamed as fire consumed it, as its hidden chambers collapsed into ash. Wendy's alloyed figure stood alone in the inferno, bearing witness. Epilogue. Apex of Apex. When the fires died, when Yatia Prime was nothing but memory, Wendy remained, alloy battered but unbroken, psychic mind scarred yet sharpened, human heart still beating beneath it all. She carried the echoes of every battle, every predator, every choice. David, Calvin, the world itself. She bore them within her memory, a litany of what had been and what must never return. Across civilizations, her name spread, not as conqueror, but as guardian. Wendy, the apex of apex, arbiter of balance, shield of life against extinction. The hybrid war had ended, but legends whispered that war was never truly over, only waiting, and Wendy would be there when it began again.